What's up, internet? It's Skinny from Coburg Nissan. Behind me I have a 2016 Nissan Altima SL. Beautiful pearl white paint on tan leather interior, advanced safety features, only 47,000 kilometers. Let's go have a look at this gem. Okay guys, let's dive right into this 16 Altima. I am super excited about this car. So the 16 Altima had a refresh on the front and rear bumper, and it also comes with some amazing advanced safety features like I talked about. So the big one for me, and it's a big one because this is something that prevents you from getting into an accident, is the forward collision warning and forward emergency braking. What that simply does is it will recognize traffic in front of the vehicle. If it's slowing down and you're not catching it in time, it will actually stop the vehicle for you and warn you as it's doing so. So that way it avoids a front end collision. A really important safety feature to have, especially with all the gizmos, gadgets, cell phones, you name it, that's distracting us while we're driving. This is going to prevent that front collision for you. So that is a great safety feature, and it is featured on this 16 Altima. Now let's continue on. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, tons of horsepower, 175 horsepower, but yet it is still amazingly fuel efficient on the road. As we move around back, I want to show you that new rear bumper because it's got this nice beautiful black piece. Kind of looks like a diffuser on the back, but really separates that. It gives it a sporty look down there. You can see the dual exhaust at the bottom. That is a great look for the Altima. Coming around the side, you can see it's finished in that nice pearl white paint. And I want to show you the really nice alloy wheels here. Let's get a closer look at these because these finish off the sporty look. You can see here, nice 17-inch alloy wheels, look really sharp. And then coming around the front, you have those 370 inspired headlights with the LED daytime running lights. Really super sporty look on this Altima. Now, here's the other gem. Let's go have a look on the inside because the interior on this thing is dynamite. Look at this. Beautiful tan leather interior in fantastic shape. No odors, no smells, definitely a non-smoker vehicle. Oh, looks amazing. You have the power driver's seat in the SL model, and then over here you even have a heated steering wheel, which I love. Even in weather like this where it's 0 degrees, 1 degree, you get in that steering wheel, oh, nice and warm all the way around. Really great for colder temperatures. Now moving on to the steering wheel, you've got your Bluetooth controls, your radio controls, and then this button here is actually going to give you the controls for your advanced driver display, which is this screen right here. So it's going to go through all the different settings, the maintenance for the vehicle, the real-time outputs like fuel economy, etc. And this is where you can set up the car to your custom likings, including turning on or off that forward collision warning, your blind spot warning, things like that. Now, speaking of blind spot warning, that is located right here inside the vehicle. You can see that orange light there. And the reason why we put it inside and not on the side view mirror there is because on the side view mirror, if you get snow or it's dirty, you're not going to be able to see it as well. So we put it on the inside of the car so that way you can see it at all times, no matter what the conditions are outside. Now, one of the bonuses of getting the forward collision warning and forward emergency braking is now the Altima comes with intelligent cruise control. So you can see your cruise control button here, and then there's this button here with the dashes, and you can set up the cruise control so that way as you're driving, let's say you're doing 110, you set it on cruise, and then a car in front of you slows down to 105. The good part is with the intelligent cruise control, it will match the speed of the car in front of you, keeping a safe distance. When that car moves out of the way, you go right back up to that cruising speed you had set before at 110, and nice, comfortable, easy highway driving. I love intelligent cruise control. I'm a highway driver, and honestly, it changes the way I think about driving simply because you don't have to worry about the vehicles in front of you slowing down. The car will match the speed and then go right back up to the speed you set the cruise at. It's a game changer for highway driving, let's face it. Now, with the Altima SL, you get the amazing BOSE stereo system. It sounds absolutely amazing in here. You get the touch screen navigation system as well, and you get Sirius satellite radio. Now, another great thing that this stereo has is it has Bluetooth streaming audio. So if you have Google Play or Spotify, you can continue to use those right through your phone without any wires, and it sounds great through those BOSE speakers. Moving down, you have the dual zone climate control, his and her temperatures, and then right below that, you have the auxiliary and USB input as well, so you can keep your phone charged or plug in any things. Like, is there iPods anymore? I don't even know if there's iPods anymore, but if you have one, you can plug it in through the auxiliary port if you like. We've got the automatic shifter here with this nice beech wood grain trim, and it's not overdone. If you notice, it's just here on the center console. There's a little piece here for the passenger, and that's it. They don't overbear you with that big kind of wood grain trim because it is nice. And again, that nice beech wood really matches the tone of the tan interior. Over here you have your driver and passenger heated seats, and then you have the intelligent key, which also has remote starter, so you can get the car nice and warm on cold days and nice and cool on warm days in the summertime. Give you another quick peek of this beautiful leather. Back seats are in great condition too, as you can see back there. And then of course you have that power tilt and slide sunroof up top, which is great for the summertime. One last thing I want to show you guys, CarProof report. One owner vehicle, no accidents, clean CarProof, absolutely great condition. It even says top condition. I've never seen that before in a CarProof, but it says top condition. I don't know what that means, but it certainly is in top condition. So good job, CarProof. They keep on improving things to give you, the consumer, a lot better idea of what the vehicle is you're getting. Guys, my name is Skinny. I love working at Coburg Nissan. You're gonna absolutely love buying here. We have a very slick service. If you're shopping from home or from your office right now and you're out of Coburg, not a problem. We have free delivery practically right across Ontario. There are not many places we can't get this car to for you. Even if you have a trade-in, give us a call, send us an email. We can go over all those services and explain to you how we can do this remotely, just like you're buying on Amazon. So guys, thank you so much for watching this quick video on this 16 Altima. Absolutely great vehicle. The interior's right, the features are right, and it should be in your driveway for your next family vehicle. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Take care. So as we come around the front, I want to talk to you something about... As we come around the front, I want to talk to you about the advanced safety features. Let's just start it over. What's up, internet? Behind me, I have a 2000... Take one.